we need our table. So do we still have space here? One thing is for sure, you can increase your page layout. You can actually increase your page layout, or you can work on this second page. And if you don't want to work on this second page, so let's delete this page, this second page that is empty. We now have one. So let's say we want to work on second page and we don't want to lose this design that we have created before. So you can go to page, then duplicate page, then we have page 2. Now actually here we can now delete what we don't need. You cannot delete what you don't need. You have worked with this. Let's delete it. Let's delete this. You can now continue your work from here, having the design already. So for me, I want everything to be in one page so that I can see how my data control panel changes. So what I will do is I will increase the height of this particular page so that it can accommodate more things I want to add into it. So you go to your page, then you click on current page settings. Current page settings. You go back to your style, just the way we did from the beginning. Then let's add 1000. Let it be 1800. Now we have add. Let's see the space now. Now we now have enough space, so this have to go down. Our footer have to go down. Now we have some space for our table. So the next thing we want to do is create table. That is what. So the next thing what you want to do is just to compile, to have a nice table that compile everything that you need. The percentage, the sales rep, the manager that is overseeing this sales rep, the quantity, the budget, and the revenue, the gross revenue. So you go to your add data, you see table. We have table with bars, we have table with, so let's try this table with bar. So this is what table with bar do, but we don't want product type in our dimension. Let's start with manager. Let's start with manager. Let's do manager. These are the manager that we have. So let's go to metrics, which is the value. Okay, let's add to our dimension. Let's add sales rep. We have sales rep. So let's add to our metrics. Let's add gross revenue. gross revenue. Let's add budget. Then let's add percentage achieved. If you want to add quantity, you can add quantity also. So as you can see, this table comes with bar. Our bar works with metrics, which is the value, while the dimension are the text that are there, just like we did in pivoting, where we have column, rows, and value. So this is for table. So let's format our table right now. You go to style, you move to style. So far we are working with a particular color. So the first thing we want to look into is text header font color. So let's see, maybe we give it this color. Give it this color. This, let's give it white, or let's give it black, because it's the header, so that the green, okay, let's remove this green, then let's give it white. So let's scroll down. So these are the color of the bars. These are color of the bars. Yeah, this is the first bar color, which is this blue. Let's give it our color. Then let's scroll. I don't like this color. Let's play with this. Let's change this color also to something simpler. Oh no, it looks the same. So let's give it this. So let's go to background and border. Let's change our background to our outline. Let's change it to green, that we are already using, but let's make it more thicker. The outline, let's increase it. Let's increase it to 3 that we are using. So now we have our table. Now we have our table. Like I said, this particular work is automatically saving into this particular Local Studio.